morning, this is Beta from SeaRay Laser. Let me introduce our laser welding machine. This is the panel of the laser welding machine. It will show the application very clearly. This can change the laser power, laser gas power, frequency, and so on by yourself easily. It's a home button. A second one technology is that you can change the password by yourself. If you are worried about your machine is safe or not, you can change the password by yourself. This place you can change languages. There are about 100 languages like English, French, Japanese, and so on. Also have Korean, Hangul. You can change your country languages by yourself easily. This is screen speed, screen width, peak power, duty cycle, frequency. It also you can adjust by yourself. You can change the welding model, square lock, and also you can choose fish scale welding form. On the left, on the right of the machine, there have 3 buttons. The first one is emergency, second one is system, the third one is the laser source button. In the machine, there have water chiller and laser source. The laser source have a screen. You can screen the place. It will connect on the internet. If you are worried about the water chiller or the laser source is real or copy, you can screen it. It will tell you.